guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video is all about some easiest fashion hacks that every girl should know. तो अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो पूरा एंड तक देखिएगा एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, ऑल्सो लाइक द नोटिफिकेशन बेल ताकि आप मेरी कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करें. सो या विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स जंप इनटू द वीडियो.
If you don't feel comfortable wearing revealing clothes, or if you haven't waxed your body, then you can wear a solid color top underneath the dress or the top. It can be any color, white, black or anything. You can see now it is looking really cute and preppy. You guys can see this is the back side. So this is a basic t-shirt, and now I'm going to wear it like a crop top. In the next hack, I am using a coin and a rubber band. See this carefully how I am using this to make my sleeves look different. And yeah, this is it. You can do it with your any old basic top. This is another way to use this hack to your t-shirt. Boom, magic. This is a wide leg jeans, and you guys will see how I'm gonna use it so many different style. So this has become a baggy jeans, or you can say a mom jeans. Next hack is to make it look like joggers. So I'm using a rubber band here. You can see how I'm using it. See the difference of other leg and this leg. If your jeans is too loose, then this is the best hack you can ever try. You can't really tell any visible difference. Nowadays no one really wear a normal shirt, so I'm just tying the lower part of the shirt, and yeah, it looks like a street style fashion. This is the best way you can fold your normal jeans. It will not look really messy, which is looking now.
Thanks for watching. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like, comment and share. So this is all for today. So bye guys. Thank you. Love you.